Wait, it's okay. You clicked on the right video. See? You're good. Hello! Welcome back to the Spoony Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoony Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoony Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Hello, welcome to another Melick Adventures Collaboration Series video. What's that? What's a Melick Adventures Collaboration Series video? Allow me to explain. So what is a MAC, or a Melick Adventures collab? It's a really fun collaboration with a bunch of Disney enthusiasts. You don't have to be a Disney channel to participate. Hosted by Ben and Danielle Melick at the Melick Adventures, their channel. The Melicks pick a theme, and then we do whatever we want with that theme. We could show a collection, we could bake something, we could make something, we could talk about different things in the film that we found inspiring or fun, or the entire video could be fun facts. They really do not limit you on what you can do for this collaboration. It just has to fit the theme. That's it. So they are the second Tuesday and the last Thursday of every month, unless they have to be changed because of holidays. If you want to be involved with one of these projects, contact them. Of course, because this is a collaboration, I am not the only one participating in this amazing collaboration. Several people are. Down below, go check out their wonderful channels. I know there are several that I'm super excited. Some I'm not quite familiar with, but I'm excited about that too. But one in particular, I know they have a really great Nightmare Before Christmas collection, and I'll have to see what I need to add to my ISO. But yes, make sure you check out every single video who participated in this collaboration. And of course, don't forget Ben and Danielle Melick at the Melick Adventures, because they started all of this and we love them for it. I love lots of figurines. Of course, I think they're too expensive, but I do have to say I think this one is really adorable, and I love that it's Zero with a little party hat because my birthday's in October, so it kind of feels like he's trying to celebrate my birthday. I don't know, I just think it's really cute, and I almost bought it. I try to be careful with the Funkos that I buy because I don't want to get overwhelmed, but I have to say this gingerbread collection that Disney has put out is amazing, and I love that this is Zero, which is a Disney dog, one of my favorite Disney dogs, and it's a gingerbread cookie as a Funko. I think that's so cute. I will tell you one thing that I almost bought for this video because I've wanted it for a long time and I felt like this video was an excuse, but I didn't do it, and that was this mug. I love this mug. It's fantastic. I love it. So, maybe one day. As you can probably tell, the theme of today is Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. Christmas? Nightmare. I would love to spend the entire video showing you my collection of Nightmare Before Christmas, but I can't. Because all of my stuff is packed away in a nice, neat little Halloween box, except for Sally because she's with me all year. But I do have a couple things I can show you. This is my Sally Bear from Build-A-Bear. My friend Lemon got her for me. So if you don't know, my nickname is Sally because I am covered in stitches. You can't see them, but I guarantee I'm covered in stitches. She's so cute. She does sing her song, but you know, copyright. However, I love her little feet detail here. Isn't that cute? I thought about getting the Jack one so that like she'd have her Jack, but I don't know. We'll see. I love how her hair is like one folded piece. I just think that's a really cool detail, and like they used corduroy type fabric for her hair. I thought that was really interesting. Oh, hi. If you're new here, I'm a craft nerd, so this kind of stuff fascinates me. Also, I love the fact that her dress is patchwork because her body is patchwork, and just the symbolism is so beautiful. Oh. I also have Zero, my pillow. My friend Christy got this for me. Oh yeah, you'll notice the theme. Pretty much almost every single item of Nightmare Before Christmas that I have was gifted to me because of my nickname and my love of dogs. But this is the greatest little pillow. Like, it's supposed to be a decorative pillow, but I gotta tell you, if you're a spoonie, this is a great back pillow because it's not too thick, not too thin. This is a great neck pillow. This is a great stomach pillow. You are so useful. Not only cute, but useful. But yeah, this is my little Zero pillow. Usually you don't see him because he is behind my back in my chair in my stitchery, so. These, however, are new. I got these off of Hot Topics website for $5. What? Yeah, $5. I couldn't resist. They're Zero slippers and they're really furry. How cute is this? Yeah, so $5. They fit really well. Here's a picture of me wearing them. Yep. This shirt I bought years ago at a Disney outlet in Alabama somewhere. And I just thought it was so cute. First of all, they're in their Tsum Tsum form, which I collect Tsum Tsum, so I love that. And it's Jack and Sally, and it's just so precious. And yeah, I love the sleeves too. Recently, I actually acquired one of my Grail sweatshirts, which I will put a picture of here because it's in my closet. But I was gonna wear it, but I never get to wear this shirt, so I decided I'm gonna wear this shirt instead and just show you the sweatshirt. This is the sweatshirt. This is one of my Grail sweatshirts. I love that it's just Sally, and I love what it says. I will be wearing it later this year, so you'll have to watch the channel to see which video that is. I also have my Sally bow, which I'm not wearing because I was filming another video before this and I forgot. But here's the bow. I do have a magnet and keychain collection, so here are my magnets. We have Dapper Sally, Scuba Jack, Swimming Sally, and the little vampire. I also have the keychain of Jack and little Zero. And then I have the plush keychains of Locke with his little mask, Shock, her mask is on, and then Scary Teddy. So I do have those. Okay, so I bet you have some questions right now. First of all, why are you filming in vertical form instead of horizontal? Good question. I am doing that so you can see the tree. If I cut it in horizontal, you see this much of my tree, and my tree is pretty. So I'm doing it so you can see the tree. So what is this video going to be about? I can't show you my collection because it's packed away. I have some pictures, but I was gonna do that, but I don't think that's as fun. I've also had to sell a lot of my collection, so that's not fun. I used to have a lot more Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. People would give me Sally and Zero stuff all the time, and I just couldn't take it with me, so I didn't move with a lot of it. And my collection is really small now, but I like it, and of course there's always more pieces to add, someday. I did used to own the giant Tsum Tsum coffin set that was like all the characters. I kept Jack, Sally, Santa Claus, and Zero. Everything else I sold. I do have ears, which you saw at the beginning of this video in my little Welcome to Disney kind of intro, and I can't find them. Those are the only Disney pair of official Disney ears that I own, and they're Sally, and of course my my friend Lemon, who gave me the nickname, gave them to me, and I cannot find them. Chances are they're in the Halloween box. I have some posters, but again, everything is for Halloween and I don't have it with me. Your other question is probably, so if the collection is in storage, what is this video going to be about? Well, if you know me, I really like deep diving into movies, but I can't do that because I've already done it. This was one of the themes I used for Burton Tuesday 2 years ago, 2023. Yeah, so I've already done that video. And if you want to see it, it's really good. I spent a lot of time on it. Thumbnail looks like this. I talk about what I think about the movie, the symbolism, the character analysis, what I think they could have done differently, what I think they got perfect, all of that, what I rated it. So that video is going to be linked down below. Burton Tuesday is my little series that I do every October, which is every Tuesday in October we talk about a different Tim Burton film and I crochet something and do a little skip that goes along with it, and it's really fun. People seem to like it. So I did Nightmare Before Christmas as my first one, and so there's a lot of information in that, a lot of things I've made.
Many years ago, I had a friend who was in the hospital for months at a time. She really wanted the Nightmare Before Christmas Tsum Tsums, but they kept selling out. And her favorite character was Sally. So I said, well, I could try making one. So I got a bunch of fabric scraps and stitched this together, and I don't know, it's my DIY Sally Tsum Tsum that I gave her. She loved it. So what do y'all think?
My tots are in there. These are my tots. They're tater tot shaped, inspired by characters. I'll give you a better look at this one is Jack. You can actually make him. I have a tutorial for him. I can link that below too. But this is Jack. Sally. Her hair covers a lot of the work I did. Oogie Boogie. With his little bug. Zero. And Scary Teddy, who needs work. Because what is with that face? I made him on a live with no plan. He needs help. So for this video, I thought I would keep adding to the collection, and I would make Lock, Shock, and Barrel. But I'm not gonna just make them like I did with Scary Teddy, because that was something. This is Oogie Boogie. Lock, Shock, and Barrel are shorter than him. Jack has to be shorter than him too. I already did that. However, something is shorter than both of them. And I'm not talking about Zero, which he is. I also make teeny tots. They're this big. This is Frankenstein and his wife. See the size comparison? So I thought Lock, Shock, and Barrel would be good in this size. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna make Lock, Shock, and Barrel teeny tots.
Here they are. Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Aren't they adorable? And then here is Oogie Boogie for comparison. Here is Sally. So she is a regular tot. He is a big tot. And then they are teeny tots. So they're just inspired by the characters. They're not like in your face, because my teeny tots, it's too hard to add lots and lots of detail on something that small. So I keep them faceless, but I do add little details where I can. I really wanted to stitch on the skeleton lines for Barrel, but there was literally no room. I was running out of room. Their masks, if I made their masks, I would make it out of felt because I think crochet is too thick. And yeah, but that's the project I created for the Melick Adventures. There's Zero and Jack, Sally, Oogie, and Lock, Shock, and Barrel.
That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun. and I hope you enjoyed yourself. Remember to check out everybody else's video linked down below. Also check out my Tim Burton Tuesday playlist. I like Tim Burton. I did a lot of videos. And there's even more coming in October, so. But if you want to hear all about the film, or you want to see more projects that I've made, because I've made quite a few that have to do with Nightmare Before Christmas, link down below. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.